If you're looking for a plant to bring colour to your garden in the coldest of months, look no further. Hellebores are hardy, low maintenance, and they flower for months, from late winter to early spring. Their flowers will brighten up any garden corner or winter container. The single variety forms are also a valuable source of nectar for early bumblebees. Hellebores thrive in dappled or part shade, making them ideal for a woodland garden or for growing under a shrub. Most varieties are evergreen, with very attractive foliage which can sometimes be marbled or silvery. They will cope with some sun, but make sure that their roots are kept cool and moist. If you're desperate to grow a hellebore but you only have a sunny position, then the holly-leaved hellebore is an especially well-suited option. Hellebores are very easy to plant, they're not fussy at all. You simply need to dig a hole that's twice the width of its root ball, set the plant in at soil level, refill the soil back in, and then water around to help settle the plant in. With any new plants, it's really good to keep an eye on them in the first year to make sure that they don't dry out during the summer. Or if you want to grow them in containers, use a moisture-retentive, loam-based potting mix and repot every 2 to 3 years to keep them looking fresh. Plant hellebores from autumn to spring, but just delay if the ground is at all waterlogged or frozen. Mulching hellebores in the winter not only creates a great backdrop for the flowers, it will provide some nutrients and it will also help retain some moisture. Putting down mulch will be especially important if you're planting any hellebores in a more sunny position. Once established, hellebores really need very little care. One thing you can do is to remove any old or damaged leaves, and this can not only help show off the flowers better, it can really help reduce the risk of hellebore leaf spot. If you want new plants, lift and divide large established clumps in early autumn. Alternatively, you could replant seedlings or grow them fresh from new seed. Just remember that if you do this, they will look different to their parent plant. But this can result in some really lovely, exciting new variations.
If you find our videos helpful, click the like, subscribe and notification buttons below to help us reach more people with free expert advice.